Today's video is about these excellent ANC wireless earbuds. The sound quality is excellent, the noise reduction function is excellent, and it has another excellent feature. Both earbuds can connect to each other or the mobile phone at any time. Let me show you the details. Now it is in play mode. Both wireless earbuds are working. Let me show you. Both are working. Now it is paused. Now it is playing. I use this one. Paused. Playing. Even I put back one of wireless earbuds into the charging case. This one. Another one is still connected to the music player. Working. Working. And I put out another one. This one. Then this one will be connected to the music player automatically. Now it is connected. This one can control the music player. Now it is playing. Paused. Playing. Now it is playing. Paused. And the left one. Paused. Playing. Putting this one into the charging case. This one is still working. It's still connected to the music player. Working. Working. I put out another one. This one. It will be connected to the music player automatically. Let me show to you. It can control the music player. Playing. Paused. So it means both wireless earbuds can connect to each other or the mobile phone, music player at any time. It's very convenient. This is the dual channel technology. This is the gift box. True wireless noise cancelling. Active noise cancelling. Let's see what's inside. The inner box. English user manual. Two pairs of extra ear tips. USB charging cable. Type-C USB charging cable. Let's see the wireless earbuds. LED indicator, USB charging port, Type-C USB charging port. Ergonomic design to make sure it is comfortable to wear, and the sound quality is excellent. The unit price in Lazada is $59. In our Shopify store, since we do not spend money on advertisement, so we can offer the best price for our customers. In our Shopify store, we sell $49.99 only. Let me show you the details. Noise cancelling true wireless earbuds. Active digital noise reduction. Block out the background noise at to 25 dB. 6 professional performance. Let me show you another excellent feature of this wireless earbuds. The dual-channel transmission technology. It means both wireless earbuds can connect to each other or the mobile phone at any time, so you won't have any pairing problems. I will demonstrate this to you later. Let me show you. Dual-channel transmission technology, fast, stable, and strong connection. Both wireless earbuds can connect to each other or the mobile phone at any time. That's it. If you want to buy this excellent ANC wireless earbuds, please click the shopping link in the description below. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so you won't miss the next excellent true wireless earbuds we launched. Even if you don't like this video, let me know why in the comments below. In either case, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.